Hi, I'm Paul Merchant, and today we're going to be looking at our brand new release, lip oil. This luxurious tinted lip oil is the perfect fusion of skincare and beauty. In the range, we have 4 tints of colour. This one that I'm applying here is pink amethyst. It's, as you can see, a real beautiful nude colour that's just a real enhancement in shine and a slight tint to the lips here. The formula of lip oil is infused with lots of beautiful ingredients that keeps the lips nice and hydrated. We have jojoba oils in there, which actually help to seal the top layers of the skin and lock in moisture down into the depths of the skin. It's also infused with hyaluronic acids and shea butter, so it really is a beautiful treatment for the lips. It's the perfect balance between beauty and skincare. The next colour we're going to be applying, this is fiery orange. It's a really beautiful warm tint. Nice if you want to kind of warm up the complexion a little bit and give the lips a nice tint of that gorgeous orange shade. So this next colour is Ruby Kiss. And as you can see, it instantly provides you with that really healthy, full, plump lip look, just by the incredible shine and hydrating system that it has built into its formula. 94% of users say that the product visibly nourishes their lips. 100% of the users say the product is comfortable to wear. So the final colour is Electric Magenta. This is really nice if you want to give yourself just a little bit more of a pop of colour for an evening look or a night out with friends, and you don't want to wear a full lipstick. You've still got all the benefits of that gorgeous hydrating oil that gives you a nice warmth of colour. Now, the lip oil can be applied as often as you like. Having said that, the oil is quite long lasting on the lips, and you do feel the benefit of it for quite a number of times before you would feel like you'd need to top up anymore. Moreover, as a makeup artist, you know the importance of well hydrated and nourished lips as the canvas of your creative masterpiece. The tinted lip oil is the ideal solution to ensure your model's lips are perfectly moisturised and primed before the application of makeup. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've got any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. Other than that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.